The 2026 Airstream Atlas Tommy Bahama Edition is a statement of luxury, freedom, and innovative engineering, redefining what it means to travel in style. Built on the robust and reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, this Class B motorhome blends high-end automotive performance with beach-inspired comfort, creating a rolling paradise for road trippers, digital nomads, and full-time van lifers across the United States and Europe. Airstream, known for its iconic aluminum travel trailers, has once again raised the bar by merging its timeless craftsmanship with the laid-back lifestyle of the Tommy Bahama brand. The result is a motorhome that doesn't just move you from place to place, it elevates every mile into a first-class experience. From the outside, the Atlas stands tall with sleek body lines, a signature aluminum shell, and custom Tommy Bahama badging that subtly hints at the luxury within. The Power Slide-Out Murphy Suite is one of the standout features, expanding the living area to create a spacious lounge or sleeping space at the touch of a button. The precision-fit slide-out also helps maintain superior insulation and structural integrity when compared to other motorhomes in its class. The automatic awning with integrated LED lighting, along with exterior shower and utility hookups, makes it perfect for camping under the stars or hosting a roadside barbecue. Inside, the 2026 model brings a fresh wave of upgrades. The interior is finished with tropical teak-style cabinetry, exclusive Tommy Bahama decor, and soft ambient lighting that mimics a luxury resort suite. The marine-grade wood accents, plantation shutters, and designer fabrics throughout the cabin create a coastal oasis no matter where you park. The powered reclining sofa converts seamlessly into a queen-size Murphy bed with a memory foam mattress, allowing you to transition between lounge mode and sleep mode effortlessly. There's also a dedicated workspace setup with USB-C charging and integrated Wi-Fi, ideal for travelers working remotely or managing life on the road, technologically. The 2026 Atlas is more advanced than ever. It includes a smart control system that integrates climate, lighting, battery monitoring, and tank levels, all accessible through a centralized touchscreen or mobile app. With the new 600W solar panel system and a 3000W pure sine inverter, you can stay off-grid longer and more comfortably. The onboard lithium battery pack offers quieter, more efficient energy storage compared to traditional generators. The entertainment system has also been upgraded with a 40 LED smart TV, Bose soundbar, and 5G-ready connectivity, ensuring you stay connected and entertained wherever you are. Safety is another area where the 2026 Atlas excels. Thanks to Mercedes-Benz advanced driver assistance features, you get lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, active brake assist, and a full 360-degree camera system. These features make navigating tight European roads or busy American interstates smoother and safer than ever before.